Hi everyone, this is Bruno and today I'll be showing you how to download and export videos to your phone from the Thinkware Cloud app. First, we'll connect with the dashcam via Wi-Fi or hotspot using your smartphone. As we can see here, we're already connected via Wi-Fi. Once we're connected, we'll open the file list where we can find all the videos recorded by the dashcam. In the file list, we'll select one of the folders according to what happened. For example, if the dashcam detected an impact, a 20-second video of the impact will be saved under the continuous impact folder. We'll go to the continuous folder in this example. Once we're in the folder, you'll have all the videos saved with the date and time it was recorded. You can click on the video to play back before downloading it. Beside each video, you can see 3 dots, one on top of each other. We'll click on these 3 dots to have the download option. Once we click on download, the download will start. Once the download is complete, the video will be moved from its folder to the downloaded videos folder. You can access this folder at any time without having to connect with the dashcam. In the downloaded videos folder, click on the 3 dots again to have the export option. Click on it to export the video and save it to your smartphone's camera roll. And that's it. The video is saved to your camera roll and you can watch it at any time. If you have any more questions, please reach out to our support team and we'll be happy to assist you.